This matter now about Baba Suwe death. I hear say in Pikin don't come outside, they speak and show us how him papa be before this man died. And this boy they claim say before him papa even sick, he no even know what they even cause the sickness. Where so they don't come lead to him papa death. But the only thing we know now since when the NDLA people, that is Nigerian Drug and Law Enforcement Agency, since when they arrest this in papa, now there everything don't change for this man. And so when this man they even sick, then he call out on people, nobody help. So the man don't come die. So for my people who never watch this one, you can follow me see.
Go say because I pay. Go say bio. I pay because about it law. I always love this man. For this for me. Thank you. Yeah, be mo dupe o. She. I'm on me so jubailo. But my father may so rest in perfect peace.
Now wow, hey, make it gentle so rest in peace. See as Baba Suwe just change. Can't even dry the sickness, don't even dry and reach the stage where people never even feel recognize them again. I see people they even accept session now be this happen. Now the way where the sickness don't want, they don't make and shit out all the blood and things where they say in body. Now why ain't come be like this? But this guy they mentioned something, so I want to ask. Because I see they talk, say he call out on people. Nobody come as I can't help him. So I want to ask, so the NDLA people will cause this whole kata for this man body. Or now not even go help out this man. Or sometimes I always talk and say all these people, they need causes, they need Suwe. Because now no go destroy person's life, can't leave the man just like that. I beg you know they fear. Because make we look this now give him this sickness. Normally everybody knows say Baba Suwe they okay, in they find the action. All of a sudden now it can't be person will be say he don't sit down for one place. And I hear some people say they complain saying why this guy go post dead body. In fact, me I not go complain about anything because everybody get in way of grieving. But I was just saying do this one, make all of us, make people of the world see and say, okay, see as in Papa be. In Papa where they chubby, where they nice, make the see as in don't dry up. And then I'm not saying complain, saying nobody help him. I hear say later him come they post apology. Saying make people know vex. Say people support him. Guy, you know even suppose they lie to because of publicity stunt about and remove color. Because say artists and people they you won't come the lie say they support. If they no support you, talk them out. Make we know say the Nigerian movie industry they no support you. Because this kind of big man no go they act. Now we be saying go come need them. No come as I say won't help her. You know they fair. But anyway, this man don't die. Make we just respect him. Make him so rest in peace. Make we forget this whole matter. My people now here I go end them on this matter. Soon I'm going to go on a short break, but before then, we can stay tuned for our next story. Things they happen on my people. One girl don't use her mouth to confess how she used juju to tie her boyfriend down. And based on information what I get, this girl claims saying she tied this guy because of say waiting. Say because she wants serious relationship. And she wants man we go marry her. And now because of this one, she can't decide say okay, make she kuku tie this man, make this man become her own forever. My people never watch this one, they can follow me see.
Nǹkan tó fà tí mo fi ṣe kọ́ báyìí ni pé mo lọ́ọ̀bẹ̀ àjẹ́ nǹkan ìbéèrè èjì mi jọ ṣe pọ́ ọmọ 20 àbí 21 ṣáà ni òun kí n ṣe alẹ́ mo ti lẹ́sìn mẹ́sìn pé 22 èmi ti lẹ́sìn mẹ́sìn pé mo ti lọ lé ọkọ pọ̀ mo dẹ̀ ti like wọ́n ní pé mo fẹ́ serious relationship nítorí ẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé bó ṣe wà yẹn tí bá bá sọ̀rọ̀ kí ní ẹ̀kan tó happen like tí bá bá sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n máa sọ wọ́n máa tẹ̀mí pé kí n máa lò ó pé kí n jọ kó n love mi.
Ojú mi before kẹ́ tó ṣiṣẹ́ dẹ̀sẹ̀ àbí àtàdé ṣiṣẹ́ dẹ̀sẹ̀ tán. Ta ló jẹ́ kẹ́ máa.
Nobody.
Ọ̀pàdé.
Àpàdé ló máa ń fẹ́ lọ rà kán ta láàárọ̀ ìjọ
ẹ sì nǹkan fún abẹ́ sì nǹkan fún un.
Ikú tí mo sọ náà ni mo ní mo ṣe pé mo sọ fún mọ́mì mi kò ní ní mọ́mì mi mọ́.
Bó nǹkan tó ń sọ lọ́wọ́ sórí sí ti wọ́. Máa gbọ́ wá kò nà ọ́ máa báyìí.
Kò sí fún
Va farabalẹ̀ wá kò nà ọ́ máa báyìí kò nà ọ́ máa rárá látànà ó mọ̀ fine.
Now wow, children of nowadays, this one they surprise me. Because the girl will do this one, she just be 22 years old. I beg 22 years old girl. You know they think of your life, you know they think of your future. Now love and marriage now be your own priority. Now what I always talk and say, girls of nowadays, I fear them. The kind things what they do, it make me fear. Because this one for me, it they clearly shows say this girl don't even get focus for life. I want to make sure they jump from one man to the other. Because she talks saying she don't marry before. So you don't marry before, but the man show you when. Now you can't decide say, oh, you won't carry all the frustration, come put on top of another man. But make na see now, the thing don't backfire. Medicine where you do it, be say this man supposed to show you love. Now madness, now this guy don't they show you. The guy don't run map for them. But as this girl they talk, she mentioned something which shocked me for him. Claim me say her mama even know about him because now her mama carry her go Babalawo place. Or now they see with some kind of mothers they do. Now why they always talk to some women, they're not even supposed to call them mothers. Because you as a mother, your pikin come to say, okay, I want lock man. You know advice I say, auntie, no be so it be. At least leave the man. If the man don't want you, if he want you, he want you. But if he don't want you, leave him. You can't even support a carry a go do charm for this guy. Now I see as the guy just there, they sleep lifeless. And this was if na young boy, you don't marry. I should say you don't even born before. Young guy will say just they live in dream 20 years, I'll be 21 years old boy. Now you can't go keep his life short for him. I hope say reverse go there for this medicine because the way this guy be like this. If nothing there to change this whole thing, I not gonna hear say this guy don't go die one day. Because now so it be. To do the thing they always easy, but to reverse and go, that be the problem. My people and this one now here, now make a bring them come. They can stay tuned for our next story. Wahala dey, my people. Hey, I hear say the legendary footballer Ronaldinho, this guy go soon land inside prison. Because say wait, I hear say he no gree pay his girlfriend maintenance fee. And the girlfriend wey they talk about na Priscilla Coho. This girl now come decide say she won't carry this matter go court. This matter as I hear it surprised me. But based on wetin I hear, she and Ronaldinho been there into one relationship. And based on this relationship, I hear say they call her common long marriage. That is, as she and the guy dey, her family don't know Ronaldinho. She self, her people know the guy. Ronaldinho family self no, in friends self no. So if at all, these people know they married, just dating, now so they call her. But if at all, or na two come break up, Ronaldinho supposed to pay this girl money. Now wetin come happen for here? If be like say Ronaldinho now come talk say he no do, I be the girl mess up. I don't know as the breakup they happen. But now this guy don't carry this matter go court. Say Ronaldinho don't stop to they pay him money. See, and if you don't carry him money, give him. In fact, they go seize him property. In fact, he go even land inside it. Hey! Oh, now see our Nigeria girls just they date for dating sake. This one are business for inside Brazil. On a just they waste on her own talent. On a know how much they say this girl is supposed to pay her every month. That one are 13,500 euros. On a know how much that will be inside Nigeria. That is 6.2 million every month. Hey, you sure say I no go marry for inside this Brazil like this one no be even marry, just date. If the family don't know me, it don't finish Nigeria end for. We don't turn to common wife and common husband. Hey, this one surprised me. But Mr. Ronaldinho, I beg how you want to cope with this kind of lifestyle? Because me, I don't say you know to they play like that. And where you won't get the money every month. So they pay this guy. Make she there, they do shakara, she know they work. Make she just sit down for someone, they chop person money. I don't know whoever bring this law, but I beg this kind of law supposed to enter Nigeria. Now, all these side chick and baby mama, their shoulder go rise up. Because the way they go end, girls go just begin date for dating sake. Make relationship just break, they don't say they go earn money. Now, what if people go they do? But me, I don't buy this idea. Auntie, you better go sit down for one place, go find work too. Because I don't know why you go they meet person because of money. Say maintenance, I bet waiting at all they maintain for your body. Body will be say another man don't they chop. Make person come go they pay money on top. I beg now so they do. No. So I don't know be a Ronaldinho go carry this girl go back to court. May they go settle this matter. But based on waiting I hear, if he no pay that money, in fact, he go turn prison to a new home. All those in cars and everything we get, they go collect time for a hand. I don't know if you want to do this one, but me, I go see the here as the matter go take go. Because this one, it really shocked me. Anyways, my people, now here, I will end up on this matter. So now I'm going to go on a short break. Before then, you can stay tuned for our next story.